Going that way?
He ain't moved yet. Which way he got to go? Back this way?
I think it goes this way, but I'm not sure.
Started up yet?
Is it? Yeah, the switch is on. It ain't started yet. Alright, it's going this way.
There it goes.
There it goes.
That's the way it goes. Have everybody during evacuate.
We're going counterclockwise?
There's
Let's go.
yeah. From clockwise.
From looking at the back, it's turning this way.
All right. Smooth.
Going?
And it's,
No,
start,
no, that's it.
oh, it's starting to move.
It's starting to move.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's.
It's starting to.
And it ain't moving yet.
125 volts.
All right. So that go that way. Well, here it goes.
I think this is where it's supposed to go. It sounds a little different, but I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know which way it's right.
You got a rotation there.